That all of you doing great. Here is a community snapshot, and basically you can get it before the end of this video. You would know how do you get it, and not just this 127 snapshot apart from this. But let me just first describe the community snapshot. What all do you get? In fact, the goal of this snapshot to maximize your community's benefits. So basically, when you have a community, you would want more number of users to join, right? More number of users to join, the trust to build, and more sales to happen. That is the crux of the goal. So this is what, like, within this community snapshot, first of all, you will be having this community's funnel. And this funnel is a very simple funnel, but this is designed to actually increase the number of people joining in your communities. Now, how does it do that? So basically, if I just open the page number 1, so there you have, this is how the front page or the page number 1 is going to be tempting. So I mean, just to give you an idea, how do you let people join a community or join your group? It cannot happen unless until you are giving away super amazing, unless until they realize there is a super amazing value to join this, right? Now this is what you do. That, let's say you are offering, I mean, let's say I offer this particular snapshot and ask you to join my community, and there you will get the snapshot for free. Of course, there is an incentive, right? So then you would be interested in joining the community. Now, for joining the community, this is your front page, and as you can see, this one, like the free weekly live stream, 5-day XYZ challenge, and this and that. So you can just tell them, okay, let's say the free snapshot that you're offering, this and another thing, or the next thing, right? So this is an incentive. Now, the moment the person clicks yes, I want to join, they will be asked for their email address, because see, even before joining the communities, like, you would want to capture the email address, and of course if they have clicked the link, you do not want to miss out on them. And this is what it will do. It will initially itself capture the email address. The form is not there, you'll just have to connect the form, and it'll be just a quick, like, name and email address or phone number, whatever that you want, right? That is the first step. And the moment that you get that first step, the contact address, now you have generated a lead for a lifetime, which, imagine you keep on generating the lead through this. The next thing that is going to happen is page number 2. There they will be taken to, and here at the page number 2, this is a link which is going to let them create a community account, right? They can join the community from this. So you just connect your community's link, just give your community's link over here. As you can see, set up your free account. You want to change some text, you can change. Then one more thing is, let's say you're trying to sell certain things, and within the community you're selling, or in the future that you're selling. So right away, as a step number 2, you can ask them, let's say there is a webinar that they can join. They can join a challenge, and by the end of it, the chances are they are going to convert it into sale. So this is a step number 2 that you can give them, that hey, you can just click onto it and you are going to access. So there itself, there is a money making opportunity, or making the person to take action, where, let's say, if you do not put it like this, money making opportunity, you can say helping the person out with certain solution, and in return you are making the money out of it, right? So there you have, you can just put in the email address. So as simple as that, this is the funnel, and it is going to drive your community super amazing. And the next thing that you know is the automation. And within the automation, like, all kinds of workflows that could have been needed, that would be needed, is available. And let me just quickly show you. As you can see, 20 lead magnet, community appointments, automation, new sales booking appointment and reminder. This one, onboarding call. This is long-term nurture. Let's say you want to do the long-term nurture. At a 7-day gap, there is an email being sent in this workflow. I mean, if you try to dig down, and within, let's say, this one, the community's appointments itself, there are 4 types of workflows: the AI advanced AI booking bot, or the simple GHL, and then this one is the free communities confirmation reminder, paid communities confirmation reminder. So, I mean, all possible niches, like, I'm not opening it individually, but you can just open it and utilize the one that you would need. All sort of possibilities are there. Now comes the part I'm going to just quickly tell you, how do you get this snapshot. In fact, this is just one of the snapshot. You're going to get 127 plus snapshots, which include the coaching snapshot, the AI agency snapshot, voice AI that sells itself, and you name it. Any of the niches, everything is everything is available. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and I'll be popping up link here. And there, either you sign up for the 30-day free trial of the Gohighlevel. From there, the button is there, or you sign up, or you upgrade to the $297 plan, or you upgrade to the $497 plan. In either of the 3 action, this is on us to send you the entire snapshot. But this is not the only thing that you're going to get. The thing that you're going to get is one of the most important. People love it. That is one-to-one personal WhatsApp support. I'm going to add you on a WhatsApp group with my Gohighlevel expert, and anytime any day, initial kickoff and doing the initial setup, and even like establishing the website and all these things. The expert will be there live with you, like available to on the WhatsApp. You can just within one go type a message, right? It would be super amazing. Now, one more thing that I've introduced here, I mean, before I show you the promotional video for the entire snapshot thing, I mean, if let's say you cannot sign up for the Gohighlevel, you cannot upgrade for the Gohighlevel, you cannot upgrade to the $497 plan. All you have to do after that, like the fourth thing by which also you can get 127 snapshot, and this is just switch to your agency view and enter our referral code in the AI agency. Let me just quickly show you. Now, this is the easiest thing. Anybody can do that. Let me tell you. Click on settings and click on AI employee. Click on manage offers. And here you just put AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, and click on apply referral. That's it. It doesn't mean that you have started using AI employee. In the future, if you use it, will be working as it is. You've just entered our referral code, and that is enough for us to give. Like, we just want to be onto the leaderboard. We'll be really grateful for you guys. I mean, if you help me out with this, and I would definitely right away just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com right after that, and I'll send to you our 127 snapshot set that includes this community snapshot. And of course, I wish you guys all the best for your communities to increase and increment as much as possible. And there is a calendar as well inside, like within the snapshot. So I mean, if you really use it well, you can really utilize it to your advantage to improve your community, to increase your community. And I am looking forward to hear from you at our email address the moment you sign up for the Gohighlevel, or you enter our referral code in the AI employee. Wish you guys all the best. Bye-bye. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus, which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best, and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month, I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.